Management of wastewater. Wastewater and water pollution. Wastewater is the dirty or polluted water that is generated due to various human activities such as domestic, industrial, and agricultural. Discharge of undesirable substances into water leads to water pollution. The substances that bring about the undesirable change are called pollutants. Sources of water pollution. There are many sources of wastewater. Some of the important are as follows. Industries and factories produce large amount of waste that contains toxic chemicals. Many industries do not have proper waste management system. The waste mixed into rivers, canals and later in sea. Mining activities release several harmful metals and elements which when mixed up with water it pollutes it all. Spill is a huge concern as large amount of oil enters into the sea and a small leakage from the sewer lines can pollute the underground water. Leakage from the landfills. Landfills are huge pile of garbage that produces awful smell when it rains. The landfill may leak and pollute the water. It is waste generated in homes due to day-to-day activities. Humans excreta, soap and detergent pollutes the water. These are used by farmers for the better yield and to protect crops. When these chemicals mixed up with water and goes to the rivers and seas it causes many damages too. An effective sewage system is made up of a network of pipes that carry wastewater to the main sewer of the city. Sewer. The pipes that carry wastewater are called as sewers. These sewers are coated of PVC, polyvinyl chloride. The sewer of our house are covered by manhole cover. Manhole cover helps people to go inside and check any leakage and blockage. When the sewage reached to downhill is then treated, cleaned and released into important points from the topic. Sewage that stagnates as a puddle or pool breeds vectors of diseases such as mosquitoes and flies. This might spread jaundice, malaria, elephantiasis, cholera, and other such diseases. Sewage might pollute freshwater sources and public water distribution systems. Polluted water can act as a carrier of harmful pathogenic organisms. The spread diseases. Exposed draining of sewage, especially from hospitals and industries, can cause community. Wastewater treatment plant is a facility that uses physical, chemical, biological to remove pollutants from wastewater. The treated wastewater is then either reused or released into nearby bodies of water. How it works. Screening and pumping. Wastewater is screened and pumped into the plant. Grit is removed from the wastewater. Primary settling. Wastewater is allowed to settle in a tank. Aeration. Oxygen is added to the wastewater to help bacteria break down organic matter. Primary treatment. Primary treatment of sewage happen in 3 stages. Screening. Screening removes materials that can be easily collected from the wastewater before they clog the pipes of primary treatment tank. The sewage is passed through screens of vertical bars. Vertical bars helps to remove all large objects such as cans, plastic bottles, rags, sticks. Grit removal. Grit removal is done after screening. The screened wastewater is passed through settling tanks called as grit chamber. Wastewater is adjusted to allow the settling of sand, grit, stones and broken glass. Sedimentation is the deposition of sediments. It takes place when particles in suspension settle out of the fluid in which they are entrained and come to rest against a barrier. Secondary treatment is used to decompose the biological content or the organic waste which are derived from human waste, food waste, soaps and detergents with the help of bacteria. This process is done in open tanks called aeration tanks.